Gravity Jet Suit. This incredible innovation by Gravity Industries takes human flight to a whole new level. A set of small jet engines strapped to your arms and back, working in harmony with your body to defy gravity. It's like having your very own superpower. The suit uses this unique combo of technology and human ingenuity to create lift, propelling you into the skies. Imagine the thrill of soaring through the air, powered by these mini jet engines. It's not just a suit, it's a ticket to an adventure that blends cutting-edge tech with the pure joy of flight. Stihl GTA 26. The game changer in tree care. This versatile, handheld, battery-powered garden pruner packs a punch with high-cutting performance, power, and a precise cutting pattern. What sets it apart? Well, it's the first of its kind on the US market, making it a unique addition to the Stihl product range. Be able to have the perfect tool right at home to tackle your tree maintenance needs effortlessly. With its innovative design and cutting-edge technology, the Stihl GTA 26 is a must-have for every homeowner. Ryno One Wheel. The futuristic ride inspired by a child's imagination. This machine can cruise at 25 miles per hour on a one-wheel motorcycle, where leaning forward propels you forward, thanks to its unique sensor-balanced wheel. Forget hand throttles, just lean in the direction you want to go, much like a Segway. What's the story behind this innovative ride? Well, Ryno CEO Chris Hoffman turned his daughter's sketch of a one-wheel motorcycle from a video game into a reality. It's not just a vehicle, it's a dream brought to life. Enforcer Tactical Gauntlet. Your ultimate companion for staying one step ahead in any situation. Packed with features that'll blow your mind, this self-defense gadget is a force to be reckoned with. A razor-sharp, hidden OTF blade ready to spring into action when you need it the most. This gauntlet comes prepared with not one, but two penetrating throwers, making you a formidable opponent. Whether you're into camping, hiking, or just want to feel safer on your evening strolls, the Enforcer Tactical Gauntlet has got your back. Klydoclock. A unique blend of analog charm and digital innovation for your desk. A sleek digital screen showcasing an analog clock with a twist, interchangeable animated faces. What sets it apart? Well, the Klydoclock features a continuously curated collection of works by talented animators and motion artists from around the world. It's like having a mini art gallery right on your desk, and each face brings its own flair to your workspace. From playful animations to mesmerizing designs, there's a face for every mood. Spice up your workspace and make time uniquely yours with the Klydoclock. H20 Ninja Mask. Be able to dive into the ocean, breathing underwater effortlessly through your nose and mouth, just like you would on land with the H20 Ninja Mask. This innovative full-face design of the H20 Ninja full-face snorkeling mask for GoPro is a game-changer. Say farewell to traditional snorkels with tubes in your mouth, as this mask lets you swim freely and explore the underwater world without any hindrance. And in the midst of your aquatic adventure, the crystal clear vision it provides enhances your experience, offering an unparalleled view of the ocean water. Holoepet Ellish. Your desktop companion that brings a splash of magic into your life. Envision having a holographic jellyfish as your personalized pet, right on your desk. With just a tap, you can play with Ellish and witness its fascinating reactions. But wait, there's more. Ellish doubles up as a timer and a weather forecaster, making it more than just a playful companion. It's like having a piece of the future right at your fingertips. So, whether you're in the mood for some interactive fun or need a quick weather update, Holoepet Ellish is here to add a touch of wonder to your day. Noonee Chairless Chair 2.0. The ultimate solution for those always on the move. Be able to seamlessly transition between sitting, standing, and walking in just seconds. Weighing in at less than 3 kilograms, this passive exoskeleton is like your portable sitting buddy. Its biomechanical design ensures a perfect fit for all your needs, making it a dream come true for anyone who's constantly on their feet. Whether you're at work or on the go, the Chairless Chair 2.0 is here to support you. Say goodbye to the struggle of finding a place to sit. Now, you can carry your chair with you wherever life takes you. BeTRITON, the reality shifter in outdoor adventures. BeTRITON is not just an RV, it's a fully electric amphibious wonder that brings sustainability and excitement to your outdoor experiences. Picture accommodation for two seamlessly transforming into a boat for aquatic escapades and a cycle for land explorations. It's your all-in-one ticket to creating smiles and lifelong memories. Whether you're a family, a couple, an adventurer, or just love the great outdoors, BeTRITON has something for everyone. This revolutionary machine allows you to travel and sleep wherever your heart desires, making it the perfect companion for those seeking a new and thrilling way to immerse themselves in nature. ZOLEO Satellite Communicator, your perfect sidekick for staying connected anytime, anywhere. This nifty gadget operates through the Iridium Global Satellite Network, ensuring you can send and receive messages even in the most remote locations without cellular coverage. What's more, when you're back in civilization, ZOLEO seamlessly switches to cellular or Wi-Fi, guaranteeing you'll never miss a message. Even if your ZOLEO device is off, it's still on, making sure you're covered in case you're ever lost or need a pick-me-up. Titanium Pocket Tool, your go-to multi-tool for everyday adventures. Crafted from solid grade 5 titanium, this TSA-approved wonder is not just travel-friendly but a powerhouse of functionality. A compact tool with a full set of wrenches, a handy bottle opener, a hex bit driver for your on-the-go fixes, and even a scraper edge for those unexpected tasks. But wait, there's more. The titanium pocket tool also boasts a retractable box opener and doubles as a camp fork. Talk about versatility. It's like having a toolbox in your pocket. Nubrella, your perfect solution for staying dry on the go. Imagine a fully detachable custom Nubrella backpack, strategically placed at the rear, perfect for those who crave the protection of Nubrella but also need the functionality of a full backpack. Whether you're a bike rider, commuter, or avid hiker, this innovative combo is tailored for you. The backpack is meticulously designed to seamlessly integrate with Nubrella, ensuring stability while you conquer your day. And here's the kicker, this dynamic duo can be yours for just $200. RAK Universal Socket, the awesome tool that transforms the average Joe into an everyday pro. This incredible socket instantly adjusts and grips hex nuts, hooks, screw eyes, and bolt heads with ease. Whether you're tackling home improvement, construction, plumbing, or auto repair, this universal socket is your go-to solution. Envision having one tool that does it all. Its versatility knows no bounds, making your DIY projects a breeze. No need for a dozen different sockets, the RAK Universal Socket has got you covered.